Enter a number from 1 to 9 in the top left input box and a row of red discs corresponding to the number will display. Enter a number in the top right input box, and when you click each disc, a column of red discs corresponding to the number will display. When the disc displayed, horizontal and vertical axes partition the area filled with the disc and extend it. When you click on an axis, it can be dragged to reposition. When you click on a red disc, its color will change to black. And when you click again, it will change back to red. Only click the disc filling the bottom area, the bottom right area of the display of the array. The number of discs filling the area above the horizontal axis correspond to the numerators of the equation over here to the right. And the numbers of discs below the horizontal axis correspond to the denominators in this equation. We have two equivalent fractions, and the numbers above the horizontal axis correspond to the numerators, and the numbers below the horizontal axis correspond to the denominators. The fraction bars of the equations can be seen to correspond to the horizontal axis. While the equal sign can be seen to correspond to the vertical axis. So 4/10 equals 6 over x plus 5. And with that you can see that the bottom right area, the black disc correspond to the constant in the denominator, and the red disc will correspond to the unknown x. If you click the Uncover Solution button, then the algebraic steps to solve for the unknown will be revealed. So we cross multiply 4 times x plus 5. So we got 4 times x plus 5. And we cross multiply 10 times 6. 10 times 6. And we can see the same diagonal correspondence here. 10 times 6, 4 times x plus 5. We continue to the next step, and we can see that we have multiplied 4 times x and 4 times 5, and we have gotten 4x plus 20. And this equals the 10 times 6. The 10 times 6 here, and it is 60. Continue to the next step, and we subtract the 20, because we do the opposite. 20 is added, we do the opposite. We subtract the 20 from both sides to balance, and we get 40. 4x equals 40. And then we can divide by 4 both sides, and we get 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So the unknown or x equals 10, which we can see is true here. The unknown or x equals 10. If you click print you will be able to display various printable versions of the application. Here the background turns to white, so you can print the array and the algebraic solution. Or if you'd like to print the steps of the algebraic solution without the numbers other than the unknown x. You can also have a printable screen that allows you to put in your own numbers here for the rows and columns, and then you can generate your own array and solve the equivalent ratios. And then you can return to the original screen. This diamond of numbers up here gives you factors of the partitioned area. For example, to the left top, we have 2 times 2 equaling 4. From the right top, we have 2 times 3, which equals 6. And we can see the left bottom, we have 2 times 5, which equals 10. And we have the right bottom, and we have 3 times 5, which equals 15. So in that way, this diamond of numbers gives you factors for the products that are in each of the areas, partitioned areas of the array. And there is a reset button when you want to begin again. You click reset.